مرحبا اسمي كاترين أنا من كينيا ساكن في دبي وأشتغل في دبي Emirates. Okay, so guys, that is just introduction. I'm introducing myself in Arabic. Basically what I mean is I am Kati, I am from Kenya and I work in Dubai and I live in Dubai United Arab Emirates. Guys, it's about to go down. So this week, this is week 10 of learning Emirati Arabic. I'm super excited. I've learned a lot of stuff, guys, and I'm going to share with you some few things that I've just learned this week. And of course, I'm using my book. I still have lots of pages to go, so I hope you're learning something as well as I continue. I hope you're learning one, two, three things as well, so that by the end of this year, because that is actually my plan. My plan is to at least be able to communicate, if not fully, at least communicate in Arabic by the end of 2024. Yeah. Okay. So if you are learning with me, we still have a lot of pages to go, okay? Lots of vocabularies, lots of phrases here and there, and a lot to come on your way, okay? So this week phrase is do you have? That is the phrase I learned. Do you have? Ayendik, ayendik, okay? So I will give you some few examples. Like for example, do you have a car? Ayendik sayara, ayendik sayara. Um, I would say if I want to respond to that probably maybe I would say La ana ma endi sayara. Ana ma endi sayara. Oh my goodness. Yes, and also as I mentioned in my previous video, like there is a way you can say when it's a male and when it's a female. Like for example, aendi Iendek is for the male and Iendich is for the female. For example, Iendich Sayara, Iendich Sayara, that is for female. Okay. So another sentence I can make out of that, or I made out of that, is Iendich Sayara fil bait. Iendich Sayara fil bait. That's I'm asking a female, do you have a car at home? Someone will say, Naam, Iendich IND Sayara fil bait. IND Sayara fil bait. Okay. Another one I would say IND Kalam. IND Galam. Galam in Swahili is a pen and it comes also in Arabic like Galam. Galam is a pen in Arabic and in Swahili is Galam. So that one actually made it easier for me to really memorize that. IND Galam. Another example is, do you have water? Aendek mai, aendek mai. Do you have cold water? Aendek mai barit, aendek mai barit. Okay, so a sentence I made, let me know if this is correct because this is just my personal sentence. Like, I am thirsty. Okay, do you have cold water? I am thirsty. عندك ماي بارد أنا عطشانة. عندك ماي بارد أنا عطشانة. Like for example, if you're referring to a female as well, you say عندك ماي بارد أنا عطشانة. So عطشانة is also for female and عطشان is for male. So let's make a sentence for like when you refer like for male version. عندك ماي بارد أنا عطشان. So this is you are asking for you're asking a male if they have cold water and you are referring yourself as a male. عندك ماي بارد أنا عطشان. So if it's a female, you say عندك ماي بارد أنا عطشانة. Okay. So another example of IND is عندك أكل. عندك أكل. Do you have food? So for example, عندك أكل أنا جوعانة. Do you have food? I am hungry. I would say نعم عندي أكل. عندي إيش DI عندي إيش what is the name of the chicken? DI is chicken. عندي إيش لحم. لحم is beef. Okay. So you can respond along that line. Yes, whatever you have. Banana, IND moose, عندي chai, عندي burrata, whatever, okay? So another one, last but not least, عندي internet. عندك internet في البيت. Oh, do you have internet at home? So this one, internet is still English and Arabic, okay? So this is where Arabic comes in, like you're using Arabic and English at the same time. عندك internet في البيت. Do you have internet at home? Okay. Another one, I would say, عندك وقت. Do you have time? عندك وقت باكر. Do you have time tomorrow? عندك وقت اليوم. Do you have time today? Okay. عندك. Do you have? You can just make many sentences using عندك. Okay, my favorite one is, do you have something to do? عندك شيء تبصوي. عندك شيء تبصوي. Do you have something to do? Like for example, if I'm asking someone, do you have something to do today? عندك شيء تسوي اليوم? Or عندك شيء تسوي باكر tomorrow? عندك شيء تسوي الحين? Do you have something to do now? Okay, the response you can just respond in any way. لا أنا ما عندي شيء أسوي. I don't have something to do. لا أنا ما عندي شيء أسوي اليوم. لا أنا ما عندي شيء أسوي الحين. Or نعم أنا عندي شيء أسوي باكر. Okay. Or I can just say أنا بسوي anything. بسوي شو. What am I going to do? Last one, I will ask you, عندك سؤال? Do you have question? If you have any question about this phrase, let me know. So I would say, عندك سؤال. I'm not sure if it's right to say عندكم سؤال. I think this is for like a group of people because عندك is for female one for male one person. INH is for female one person and there are two or more people. I'm not sure. Let me know. I think it's عندكم سؤال. عندكم سؤال. عندكم سؤال. ترشلي message في الكومنتس. ترشلي message في الكومنتس or سوي message في الكومنتس. عندكم سؤال. ترشلي message في الكومنتس. or سوي message تحت. Okay, down here, down below.